nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had. Oh yeah.
Whoa! Woo!
Tonight, but she hears softly whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:35. The moonlight winds will pack her strong and guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melody. Turn to me, I seem to say, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. Come and take the dogs and drag you away from you. There's something that 100 men or more can never do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Come and take some time to do the things we never had.
This is the RCF HDL 30A in combination with the high-performance active subwoofer RCF Sub 9006 AS. It is equipped with two ultra-powerful 18-inch neodymium woofers. RCF's experienced engineering teams have specially developed and matched each component, starting from the power supply through the input board to the amplifiers and transducers, right up to the complete HDL 30A system. All the components are handcrafted by RCF. If you want to listen to RCF systems at full level, contact us for a demo. Here is the next audio example. Thank you very much for your attention. You are welcome to visit RCF in Hall 3.1, Booth C91, or